Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix missing stickers on Instagram. For that, we'll go to Instagram account and here we need to tap on Instagram profile. After tapping profile, we need to click on three horizontal lines of top right side corner and go to settings and privacy. And here we need to tap on account center. After tapping account center, just come back. So here we have just scroll down. So here we have the help center. Just tap on that and here we need to tap on report a problem. And here we need to tap on report the problem of what we have. So I was again going on, I was going back. So here I was reporting the problem. So here I was including and continue, and here I was typing that uh, missing stickers on Instagram. Stickers on Instagram. So like this we can put a message, and if you have any screenshot means just put a screenshot and send. So within 24 hours they will rectify your problem. Thank you.